Hey Zoe. Well, you made it to the end of your kindergarten year. Definitely not the way any of us thought the year would end. I'm here in the classroom all by myself and it's so quiet and I miss you guys. I wish you were here playing and laughing and hanging out with me, but since we couldn't be together, I wanted to send you a message and let you know what award I picked for you. This award's going to be in the bag that you're going to pick up on Friday, but I wanted to present the award to you. And the award I picked for Zoe Ward is the Whaley Awesome Award for making waves of improvement, because you really came a long way from the beginning of the year to kindergarten to now. And I am so impressed with how hard you worked. And I hope that you continue to work over the summer to continue making waves of improvement. And I hope you have a good summer and are able to enjoy time with mom and dad. And I really miss you. Have a wonderful summer. Mwah!